What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to link to another Jira ticket. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Jira. And after that, you will see this first official link of Jira. Click on it and after that you will be redirected to this page of Jira. Now simply click on go to Jira and before going to Jira just sign in or log in with your Jira email and password. Now after coming to the home page of Jira, on the left side over to the projects icon, click on it and open your recent projects. Now from here, you will see multiple options at the top. On the left side, you can see the option of filters. Simply give it a click and then it will open all the default filters and then click on the all issue filter. And after clicking on all issues, you will see the option of all your tickets. As you can see, I don't have created any ticket for now, but if you have created multiple tickets, then you will see all these tickets here. As you can see at the top, it says created. So it will show you all your tickets and then you can select a ticket, and after selecting you will see this option of add on the ticket. Just simply click on add and you will see the option to add another ticket. Then you can add the desired ticket that you want, and this is how you can link a ticket to another Jira ticket. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.